I wish it was in better circumstances and not under such an unprecedented and extraordinary time that we are going through. However, I am extremely grateful to AICTE for having created this opportunity for all of us to connect, to learn from each other, to get to know each other better, and to find ways to collaborate and explore best practices as we go forward. I think that's a great initiative, and once again, a big thank you. I'm Geetika Dayal, Executive Director, TiE Delhi NCR. And what I will do today is to quickly go through a little bit of presentation to share with you a little more about TiE, the organization I represent, and the Delhi NCR chapter that I look after, and to be able to share some thoughts about what we do and how perhaps it is of great importance and relevance in this time to be able to work closely with institutions of higher education and see how we can make the most of it to take our country forward. So with that little bit of introduction, over the last couple of decades, of course, TiE has been working in this area. So I will just like to take the opportunity to present something that we've put together here and be able to share it with you. Well, this of course is the session, and I hope I'm able to share enough information and knowledge that gives you a fair assessment and idea of the work that TiE does, and then for us to be able to brainstorm further on how we can collaborate and serve your needs better as well. TiE, of course, was born in 1992 in Silicon Valley. And the way it all started was that people from the Indian diaspora who had gone from here to the US struggled. I mean, they managed to create successful companies, particularly successful technology companies at that point of time. And they were at the airport actually waiting for together and said to pass the time, perhaps it's a good idea for us to have lunch together. And that at that lunch meeting, TiE was born because they realized that while they had all been there and had struggled in their own different ways, the best way that they could all give back to society was by coming together to share their experiences, their contacts, as well as their resources, etc., and to mentor young entrepreneurs and younger generation who was then going from India to the US. At that time, way back in 1992, as you can well imagine, startups was not something that was, thought of as a natural progression of someone's career. It was not in fashion at that time to be a startup. So this became a very valuable service for when they would get together, share their stories with each other, and be able to mentor and guide young entrepreneurs over there. This then started spreading from Silicon Valley to other parts of the US, and then it came to India in late 1999, early 2000, where Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore were the first three chapters that got established. Today we have over 22 chapters of TiE in India, as well as 61 chapters globally in about 14 countries. So it's a fairly vast network which has been established by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs with the single-minded mission of fostering the next generation of leaders. The philosophy being that every single Google in India and Southeast Asia and is now an MD at Sequoia Capital. Saurabh Srivastava, like I mentioned, is our Chairman Emeritus of TiE Delhi NCR. Our past presidents also include Pramod Bhasin, the founder of Genpact and Clicks Capital, Deep Kalra, founder and group CEO of MakeMyTrip.com, Sanjeev Bikhchandani, Vice Chairman of Naukri.com, Mr. Pradeep Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director, Cyber Media Group, and basically a lot of people who are true believers of the startup ecosystem and have been extremely entrepreneurial, not only in what they have done in their careers, but how they have gone on to support a large number of startups as well as mentors, as well as investors. So we're very fortunate to have a board that is truly visionary and supportive in the work that they do. In terms of the programs that I was talking about, one of the largest format events that we do has been the Startup Expo. I hope some of you have had the opportunity to participate here. This has been in partnership with Lufthansa. And this is almost attended by 15 to 20,000 people, where we have a lot of young companies who are given a stall to showcase for free, and there we are able to create visibility and awareness and brand building for startups. We also hold investor sessions, so almost 1,000 investor meetings and pitches are held in one day. There are dedicated networking zones, mentoring zones. We hold sessions throughout the day under a TiE Institute program to educate young entrepreneurs, etc. So extremely exciting program that happens, that will now happen in February of next year. We hope many of you will have a chance to participate. It's free of cost, and it's a platform that brings together every single individual who has an interest in connecting with the startup community, and then they are able to come there and build their collaborations and partnerships. We also have a large program which is called TiECon, or the TiE Global Summit, the annual flagship event of a TiE chapter, where we have 2 days of inspirational keynotes, knowledge sharing, sessions which talk about trends in technology, trends in funding, and various other aspects. And there are a lot of other startups get a chance to pitch to investors, win awards. So really a sort of a mega mela of entrepreneurship and inspiration that happens at these programs. Apart from that, we have programs which we will now be taking a lot onto the virtual platform in terms of online summits that we will connect. This is the India Internet Day, the India Education Entrepreneurship Day, Women Entrepreneur Summit. We have a food summit, a healthcare summit, a retail summit, and a travel summit. And many of these are programs that happen every year. And this year, of course, we are now ramping up in terms of regular features through webinars, and then lead up to the main annual conference as well. Apart from that, we do a lot of sessions which also help peer-to-peer engagement. Because while a mentoring format is great and people get to learn a lot, because it's basically formed on the, when TiE was established, it was established on the ancient Indian tradition of Guru Shishya model. But now we also have a lot of programs that we do which encourage peer-to-peer interaction and learning, because there's a lot of value that people derive in learning from their own peer network in terms of what happened in the recent past that they are able to relate with and learn from. There's a lot of emphasis now in those programs for peer-to-peer learning as well. We have a TiE Institute format, which has been physical sessions which pick up a specific topic and help in skill building of entrepreneurs, which has now been taken online. So tieinstitute.in is the online platform for sessions and programs, what we have now, where people can access at the moment content. Right now it's free of cost, where they can go and learn in a specific on-demand module kind of format. Multitude of formats of sessions, whether it is pitching sessions, whether it is mentoring roundtables, knowledge series, a whole lot of things go on at TiE throughout the year. So obviously a very, very busy calendar of activities that we maintain through the year, and that is particularly because the startup community needs a lot of inputs, a lot of help, a lot of support and partnership opportunities. That's what we try and provide through the TiE programs. What we have done, of course, now is very quickly turned the model around. Part of it was already happening, but of